Hi everyone! Today I have a new subscription for you. I'm so sorry if this video is not very cohesive because I've actually had to now re-record this about 4 or 5 times due to different technical errors that have happened every single time I've tried to get into this. So let me share a few things about my box. This is the ultimate box. There are several different options of boxes that you can get from Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. This is again the ultimate box, but there is also a sparkle box for $9 which contains 5 or more stickers, decals, or magnets. There is a bling box for $19 which comes with 2 authentic Disney trading pins. And if you're interested in a box like this, there are a few different price points as well. There's a dreams box for $39 that comes with 3 or more items. There is a wishes box for $49 that comes with 4 or more items. There is a fantasy box that comes with 5 or more items, and that's $59. That is their most popular box. And this is the ultimate box, which is $119, which comes with 5 or more items, and it is guaranteed to include a designer item such as Loungefly, Danielle Nicole, or an Alex and Ani. It could be other items as well, but those are just some examples. There's also an option to decide if you want to get your guaranteed amount of items in your boxes, or if you would like to get more quality over quantity, which is what I did for my box. So I got this quick note: by selecting less items would be fine as long as the value is the same. When you purchase your box, you let us know you're a quality over quantity type of subscriber. This month's box contains fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. And I am definitely okay with that. It came with this lovely little card in it that says happy spring and happy unboxing. The flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. Please tag us in your unboxings. And then it has Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes on it, and that is from Mulan. I love that. Now I will say that I do follow Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes on their Instagram, and I will get into something a little bit more in this video after I've kind of gone through everything. With their Instagram, there was a time where they were showing some sneak peeks of people's boxes, and there was one box in particular that I did see in their story, and I took a screenshot of it and I sent it to my friend, and I said that I thought it would be so funny if that was my box, but if they followed my preferences, then I felt like it was most definitely my box, which is a little strange because they have so many subscribers, but I really felt like that box was meant for me, and it most definitely was my box, so they definitely got me. So let's get right into this. When you open your Bibbidi Bobbidi box, you will often find a spoiler alert, and you will also find one of these cards. If you happen to choose quality over quantity, then they tend to give you one of these cards as well, just to give you a little bit of insight as far as what you can expect out of my box, and you can kind of gauge whether they did a great job or not. My preferences that I chose for this month were Winnie the Pooh, Marie, princesses in general, but my favorites would be Belle, Cinderella, and Snow White. I like Minnie Mouse, and my favorite color is pink. I also really love pastel colors. I told them apparel is okay, ears are okay, pins are okay. Plushes are okay, but I prefer to have unique plushes rather than the normal plushes, and I prefer if they do not include hair or skincare and buttons. I did have a few requests that I put into my box where I requested a couple pins, and I also requested a particular Jim Shore figure. So we will jump right into this and see what we got. Okay. This is our first item. This is the Disney Parks exclusive limited edition Christopher Robin plush Pooh. I did not request for him, but I was absolutely hoping and wishing to the stars that I would see him in my box, and he was. So I'm super excited about him. His arms move up and down, and he's so adorable. You can also move his feet. Super cute. And he's got his little Pooh tummy. And this has got the Christopher Robin tag. We've got our price on the back, $39.95. And his little shirt. His tags. Super, super cute. I definitely love this movie, so I'm really excited about this. Our next item is a Princess Belle Tervis tumbler. I'm so excited about this. It is so beautiful. It has all these lovely pink flowers and this lovely pastel pink top, which I absolutely love pink and I love pastel, so we're good there. This is the opening. This is the closing. Let me see if I can get this open. There we go. This is for cold and hot drinks, dishwasher safe, reduces condensation, earth friendly, double walled tumbler. This is also a BPA free item, and I can't remember if I said dishwasher safe. Maybe I did, but yeah, so super beautiful. Excited about that. For our next item, we got a Disney Tradition Jim Shore. This is actually my second Jim Shore figure. It would have been my first, but fortunately enough for myself, I was able to be very blessed with a Jim Shore figure for Mother's Day. So that I will have in another video to show you. But this is actually the Jim Shore figure that I did request from the lovely ladies at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. And it is the Fantasia Pegasus Jim Shore figure. He is so cute. He's got so much attitude going on here. And I just love him so much. There's so much beautiful detailing on him. And I really, really love the Pastoral Symphony. So I'm very excited about this. And last but not least, we have a Minnie Mouse Loungefly backpack. It is very, very beautiful. The zippers are so nice. It's so easy to open and close everything. There's a pocket on the inside. I love anything that allows me to organize things. We've got this beautiful pastel pink on the inside with white polka dots. I'm absolutely in love with that. Everything is so beautiful. There's pockets on both sides. We have the same kind of satiny finish on our straps. It's a very beautiful pink tone. I love it, love it, love it. Same over here. On this side, we have a continuation of the mini print. And if you look at the zippers, there is a little bit of an opening. So if you want to like stick your finger in inside and be able to open and close, it makes it a lot easier. And here we have our Disney Loungefly logo right there. It is so beautiful. It's so well made and it's super cute. And the bottom has that same pastel pink tone. I love this so much. So with our box, let's go over this a little bit. Time for our spoiler alert. I'm loving this so much because I love Winnie the Pooh. We have our Disney Parks exclusive limited edition Christopher Robin Pooh plush, which on our spoiler sheet says it was $29.95, but it's actually $39.95. So at the end, we'll just add an extra $10. And we have our mini backpack. This was $61. We have our Tervis tumbler. This was $18.99. And our lovely little Pegasus Jim Shore figure. This is $18. This brings us to a grand total of $127.94. Add that extra $10 that are missing off of Winnie the Pooh, and we are at a grand total of $137.94, which is a great deal because I paid $119 for this box. I paid $6.99 for shipping, and I was able to get 10% off of my first box. So we got an excellent deal. So I had sent my friend this picture, and I had told her, I don't know what it is. I know that there's so many Bibbidi Bobbidi box subscribers, but I really feel like if they listen to my preferences, this is my box. And oddly enough, I was trying so hard not to buy these 3 items right here because I just wanted them so badly. I haven't actually looked at the Tervis tumbler, mostly because it's so strange. I buy Tervis tumblers as gifts all the time, and for some reason I never bought it for myself. So I'm actually really excited that I now have a Tervis tumbler as well for myself. So I'm very excited about that, but I was trying so hard to hold off on these items because I saw that picture of my box, and I had waited so long for this box. I placed my order in quite some time ago, and I've been waiting very patiently. They shipped my box on the 26th, and I was told that it should probably come in about 5 days or so, but they shipped my box on the 26th, and I actually did not receive this until the 15th of May. So it was quite a wait, but it was definitely worth it, and I'm so excited that it came and it's here, and this was my box. So let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite item is. Do you feel like they followed my preferences pretty well? I think they did a great job. I'm actually going to switch down to the $59 box, which is their fantasy box, for next month, just to kind of see what kind of items I might get for that. And I did change it a little bit because I see so many people eating the yummy snacks, so I did request to have a yummy snack come next month as well. And the month after that, I will actually be back on an ultimate box again because that is my birthday month. So I decided to treat myself for that month as well, and we'll kind of see how things go from there. I was going to try this box for a few months and see how I like it. So far, I absolutely love it. I think it's great, and hopefully this will be something that will continue to wow me, and I will be keeping this subscription. So let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!